It's Tuesday, May 16th, just following up on Tesla. You can see it continues to move higher. Took out its first target here. I bought the stock here at the blue line, scaled out here at its first target, the intraday or the pre-market highs. Now I just scaled out again at this next target up here, which is kind of the 168.50 area. So I bought the stock 166.47, scaled out at 167.50, sold some more at 168.50, up 2 points and heading higher. So it's a nice, reversal looking day developing. If we look at the daily chart here, on Tesla, we took out the lows of the previous day. We got to the midpoint of that day. So now we're working towards the highs of yesterday, which is discussed as 169.76 if it wants to get up there. So that's kind of up, kind of in this area up here if it wants to continue. At some point after this kind of big move, you expect a little bit of a pause, but hopefully it'll just pause and then make a secondary push both to the intraday highs and towards yesterday's highs up here. That's the next target. So certainly at no risk right now. If it comes all the way back here, you can break even on the remaining part of the shares, but we'll just see now what kind of directional move unfolds on Tesla. On the weekly chart, we are getting a green, week at the moment. It depends how today ends really, because we still have a 2-down week. I'm keeping that in mind. So it's going to take a lot. You're going to have to get to the midpoint of the prior week to kind of then have expectations to get all the way back up to the kind of this 180 area. So we'll continue to watch that, but that's what's developing. Pretty big momentum here, move to start the day. So it looks like it certainly wants to kind of, even though it's going to probably pause right here, it looks like it still wants to continue higher. And we'll see if maybe we can get this entire week, to kind of reverse, get to the midpoint of this area and then work back all the way up there. But that's a long way to go, but we'll see what happens. So good trade on Tesla this morning, buying it here at the blue line.